Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Robinhood application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Robinhood application on your Android device, you can go tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and search for Robinhood by typing it in the search box. Make your search and from the search result, find Robinhood application. If you don't find it there, you can go to your web browser and search for Robinhood APK. In the search result, tap on this link right here, which will take you to uptodown.com. Now, search for the latest version by tapping on latest version from the page. Accept to the terms and services by tapping on I accept. And once you find the latest version for your Robinhood application, tap on the download button. From the pop-up, select OK. You can view the details of your downloading progress by tapping on the details at the bottom. As you can see that your application is being downloaded. Wait until the download is done. After the download is done, tap the app open and in the pop-up, tap on install to install the application on your device. The installation process will just take a few minutes. After the app has been installed, tap on the open button. And there you have your Robinhood application installed on your Android device. From the first interface of Robinhood, if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the sign up button and register yourself to a new account. If you already have an account, you can simply tap the login button and log in using your username or your email and your password, and that is it. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.